Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all. In this opportunity, I would like to present my article paper under title Analysis of Problems in Learning Mathematics based on difficulties, errors, and misconception in the material of equations and equality absolute values of one variable. Systematic literature review. Well, my name is M. Azhari Panjaitan as author and presenter and master student of Mathematics Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. And my partner in this research is Mr. Dadang Juandi. He is lecturer of Mathematics Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Well, I'm going to present my paper into four parts. The first part introduction, the second part research method, the third part research and discussion, and the last part is conclusion. For the first part, introduction, there are study background, research question, and goals from this research. The second part is research method. Method, there are method, subject data collection, and analysis technique. And the third part, research and discussion, where I will tell about difficulties, errors, and misconception based on research question in introduction. And the last part, conclusion. So we continue about introduction. Introduction. This is a story background. Mathematics is a science that is taught to students from elementary school to senior high school level. Mathematics has very important role in everyday life. However, some students state that mathematics was boring and scary. Thus, a sense of anxiety and distrust arises in students. Based on the following problems in learning mathematics, there will be difficulties, errors, and student misconception during learning. In the 2013 curriculum, absolute value material is combined with equation and equality. Thus, students must understand the prerequisite material, namely absolute value. Absolute value is an implicit concept. Thus, this concept is a difficult mathematical subject. This will result in learning barriers in the material of equation and equalities. Based on the description above, the purpose of this study is to describe the result of the analysis problem in learning mathematics that often occur, including difficulties, errors, and misconception. Thus, the data collection state is an important state of SLR. Took the research data collect, the researcher asked several relevant questions as follows. The first, how is the description of the research regarding the difficulties of students in learning material of equations and inequalities the absolute value of one variable? The second, how is the description of research regarding student errors in learning the equation and equality material of the absolute value of one variable? Third part, third question is, how is the description of the research result regarding student misconception in learning the absolute value equation and equality material? The last, how to overcome problems in learning which include difficulties, errors, and misconception on the equation and equality material of the absolute value of one variable. Research method. The research method used is systematic literature review with a survey-based quantitative descriptive approach. The stage in this research, namely data collection, data analysis, and drawing conclusion. Data sourced from primary studies that have been used as journal article. Data is collected using index electronic database such as Google Scholar, Portal Garuda, Doge, and direct URLs of national journal. The criteria for obtaining data for research purpose use inclusion criteria. So the inclusion criteria were determined as follows. The article come from Mathematics Education Research. The articles were published in the 2011 until 2021 period. And the third, the research come from the analysis of student difficulties, errors, and misconception on the equation and equality material of the absolute value of one variable. The population of this research is all analytical research on student difficulties, errors, and misconception on the material of equation and equality of absolute value of one variable. So of the 30 journal article of science, then adjust to the inclusion criteria, just a sample of 15 relevant journal article was assigned for systematic review. Okay, the result and discussion. There is part. For the first is data based on criteria. In the following, a table will be presented based on the inclusion criteria by categorizing them based on moderating variable, namely the year of research, the level of research, the place of research, and the sample size. So descriptive data are presented in table 1. The second is students' difficulties in the material of equation and equality linear absolute value of one variable. So, student difficulty that occur when solving equation and equalities problem of absolute linear value of one variable according to several research results. As follow, there is 3 researchers. The first, according to Rahma, discussed that the difficulty were caused by 2 factors. The first factor from internal factor and the second factor for external factor. So internal factor comes for interest, motivation, and intelligence of student. But the student external factor that come from outside the student, namely the quality of teacher in mastering and explaining the material to student. According to Muhammad Akram, discuss about difficulties experienced by students caused by 3 factors: factual difficulties, conceptual difficulties, and skill difficulties. According to Alfer and Enfer, discuss the student difficulties are found when solving inequality problems that contain terms and absolute values inequalities. Then students also have difficulty with equation in the form of mutlak fx is equal mutlak gx. And many students memorize the concept of the definition of absolute value rather than understanding the concept. The third, student error in the material equation and equality linear absolute value of one variable. So student error that occur when solving equation and equality equation of absolute linear value of one variable according to several research results. As follow according to IGD and Mila and Octavia and Zulfa and Anita. The result of the research that have been described regarding student error that occur in the material of equation and equality of linear absolute value of one variable, namely the lack of accuracy of student in solving problem. Students' lack of understanding of the concept of absolute value and lack of understanding of algebraic concept. The fourth part, student misconception on the material of equation and equality linear absolute value one variable. Student misconception that occur when solving equation and equalities problem linear absolute value variable of one variable according to several result as follow. According to Almong, Elawati, and Yulia, the result of the research describe above discussed student misconception on the material of linear absolute value equation and equality of one variable. Namely, student incorrectly using logical connector. Student ignore and remove the absolute value sign and understand that the value in the absolute sign is always positive. Student don't understand properties of inequalities and student don't understand algebra concept. So the conclusion is research on problem analysis in mathematics learning gets very good attention, which is to find out student difficulties, student error, and student misconception in solving problems about linear equation and equality, the absolute value of one variable. So this systematic review can be followed up with a stronger method, namely qualitative one, with a critical paradigm. With this method, it is possible to propose learning design to overcome problem in learning mathematics on the material of equations and equality of linear absolute value of one variable. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, please write in the comment. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.